we're talking about how do we connect to the Oracle Forms elements. Basically, AuraPlayer has a connector, an adapter that is inside of Oracle Integration Cloud. You could simply use the AuraPlayer connector to seamlessly run any of the REST services that automate the Oracle Forms backends. Okay, so you literally can have Oracle Forms being run in an automated fashion on the WebLogic server without the client side, right? We call it headless forms from a new Visual Builder screen. Okay, so what is interesting about utilizing Visual Builder is that it really started as a development tool that was trying to copy Oracle Forms, right? Visual Builder was trying to create a application, a tool that would be the same ease of use as Oracle Forms. So for example, that you could run the application live from the development tool, that you have a component panel where you could see all the elements, right? I'll show it to you here, but just because it's easier, right? So Oracle Forms is made up of a few elements, right? Here is the object navigator. It shows you the data blocks, the canvases, which are the pages, the triggers, the menus, etc. It has a component palette. So if you look right here, we have the letters, the buttons, the boxes, etc. And you could drag and drop them onto this canvas. Here on the canvas, it is a live canvas. You could change the titles, etc., and the prompt, and it will automatically update the property palette. So it's two-way synchronization, and the property palette defines the whole elements. Okay, and you could put things in the property palette that will also reflect on the canvas, right? So what they tried to do is a very similar environment in Visual Builder so that Oracle Forms developers will be able to also understand how to use the tool, right? So we have our object viewer, right? Here I have the different pages. I have my login page, my order pages, the different resources, CSS, which is the visual, the images, etc. Here I have my component palette, right? The calendar, the card, the edit panel, etc., input text. And here you could filter for the elements because there's like literally a billion elements. Here I could drag and drop it onto my canvas. And here what's really cool is they have these 3 buttons, right? Which is, if you click design, you see it in a graphic way. If you click code, you'll see it as JavaScript. So if I'm a coder, and I don't want to really look at the visual elements, I want to be able to just do it quickly in JavaScript, that's also fine. Or I could do what's called live, and it'll run the application.